Halen is a constancy. Van Halen is part of the fabric. Now, again, it's gone past simple music. It's a narrative.
Right, no question.
It's sort of like, it's the sound of summer. Summertime's here, baby. Need something to keep you cool. People have marched off to war to our music. They have come back victorious. Some people have come back dead, and we buried them to my music. People have gotten married and danced gloriously to celebrate that wedding. And people have gotten their second divorce and danced even more fucking gloriously, darling.
It's definitely the soundtrack to my youth, for sure.